What drives me in this work and makes me so passionate is I know we can make sure that every child in the state gets a great education, because that's what most people want. I served in the California legislature for 8 years and realized that most of my colleagues, no matter what political party, they cared about kids, yet I saw decisions being made that didn't help kids. Children Now is a children's organization. We do research, policy, and advocacy, but what's unique about us is we really cover the whole child. We work on early learning, K through 12 issues, children's health issues, children's welfare issues throughout California, really trying to move the ball to make sure that there's support for every single child in the state.
If you get the question wrong, it goes to the next team.
Until a couple of years ago, we had really a nonsensical school finance system. There was no transparency, it wasn't equitable, and it was based on a formula from several decades ago.
One of the policy areas that Children Now works on and leads is in education reform, and we were instrumental in getting the local control funding formula passed.
With the leadership of Governor Brown, Children Now from the outside brought together business and parent and community voices to really push policymakers to enact this new system called the local control funding formula. It's a much more transparent and equitable system.
It finally provides power back to the parent to determine what they would like to see in terms of quality education.
There's 3.5 million kids in this state who are low income, 1.3 million kids who are English language learners, and 43,000 kids who are foster care kids. This new law is targeting more support to them and will benefit all of them in their education. New Common Core standards and national science standards. Every reputable education group, business group, labor group, parent community group that has looked at these updated standards say, these make sense for kids. But that wasn't getting out there. What Children Now is doing, and really this is happening for the first time, is bringing all these voices together with a very focused agenda to really make sure that every child in this state has a great education. I'm very optimistic that we are really going to have an excellent education system in this state.